Hey loves, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Bella.
And I'm Ruby. Today we're going to be pouring some reed diffusers and room sprays. This is the first time we're going to be introducing reed diffusers, so we're going to test out a couple different diffuser bases. And as we go through all of our testing, then we'll figure out which one's going to be the best that works with our scents. All right, so we are going to be testing these in each of our homes. So Bella's going to pick her scent.
So I'm gonna do this one, which is White Sage and Lavender from Candle Science.
And I think I am going with Black Coral and Moss from Candle Science. Start with the Midwest Fragrance Company. Why did it just do that?
What does it do?
All right, now we're on take 2. We got our batteries installed after our little excursion. Here we go. Oops.
I changed my mind. So I'm gonna do Sea Salt and Orchid instead of the White Sage and Lavender for my testers.
It's Bella's transporting hers to her place. She's not going to put her sticks in the jar right now. We're going to put in the stopper. And then the collar, which is decorative.
Thank you. Now we're doing the Wellington base.
Both of them so far are both clear, nothing really yellowy.
I'm gonna pour the watermelon sugar room sprays now. Now I'm gonna pour some Ciao Bella.
Ciao, Bella. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye, loves.